Hi everyone. So this time I'm going to show you how to test Odoo replication. I just added here the code on our Git repo if you want to follow. So what's happening here is we are going to make sure we have all volumes and everything is down. Then we're going to do up with -t. It means it's going to run on the background. Then we're going to just hook into the logs. If you check the compose file, so you have a PG primary and a replica, and you have some scripts that are going to tie both together. They are going to create a user that is going to manage the replication, and then it's going to connect the replica with the main instance, so the master. And yeah, let's just check if it works. So I'll just copy this, and we're going to create a cluster. So Docker compose up, first down, make sure everything is clear. So you see you have PG replica and PG primary here. Now I'm going to run the odooconf. And if you see what is special about odooconf is that we just have a replica port pointing to 5434, database port to 5433, exactly as explained here. So you see the replica is publishing on 3.4, and you see the primary is publishing on 3.3. I didn't use 3.2 because I run it on my local. And yeah, so that's how the setup is done. So we now just need to run Odoo. This is an alias. I can show you my alias if I just do alias and then take this out here. So this is just activating the virtual environment, and it's going to run Odoo. We can just run it directly if you want to see. And we are pushing this add-ons path here by default, but we really don't need it. So I just need to point to Odoo, and then I do -c and load this odoo-conf file. So, whoops. Yeah, so it's saying that we don't have user dd, the user that I need for replication. Yeah, exactly. So if you look here, I need first to create it. So it's going to create using pgpass Postgres. So I'll just create the user first. This is the user that our Odoo daemon is going to use to do all these operations. So now, yes, we can just start the server. It's initializing. It will take a bit of time. Meanwhile, let's just show here. Okay. And so I'm going to use localhost. It is 69. It will come up soon. It's slow because I'm running everything on my local. This is just for demo purposes, right? So there is no reason why we should do it fast at the moment. But if you have a nice server, it's going to be great. So admin. Okay. Now I go to webs. I'll install something, activate sales, for example. This is Odoo version 19 we are using here, but you could use it since version 18, I believe. It was the first to have this. As soon as it's up, we can look here and see all the queries that are coming into usually PG primary, because that's where Odoo is going to send all the writes and creates, right? And the replica is only going to be used for reading information. So it's going to stop soon. We are just installing one module. Of course, running this plus the recording that I'm doing on my local. Linux is not the best for screencasting. Okay. Okay, I think it stopped. Let's see here. Oh, still installing stuff. Still installing some stuff. Yeah. Creating all the demo data also. Because by just throwing this command, we are not bypassing demo data. Okay, now it seems it's here. Good. So let's see. If I go into products and create a new product, that's a client. Now we want to create a new product. Test 001. Save. Okay. Test 001. Okay, and let's see. Move into the cluster. I can reset and clear here now. If I change to 2 and save, okay, since I reset it, you see it's using PG primary for the writes, and then the reads are going to the replica. If you want to be totally sure that is really what it's doing, let's reset and clear now again. And I'll just read a lot of times, and you see it's just going for PG replica for the reads. And you can have more than one replica. Yeah, and that's all. Thanks for listening. See you next video.